Although this robe is expensive, like I was saying before in my other video, if you haven't seen how this robe is just a classic. Hey fellas, can't go wrong. We're getting the underwear to go with the robe. I told y'all I like to be flat inside the crib too, not just outside. It's really in me, not just on me. What's up, 2Fly fam? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new, welcome. If you want to join this family, like this video, subscribe, and show the channel some love. I'm 2Fly B, and today I'm back with another lit video. And if you're new here and you're wondering how I got my name 2Fly B, I mean, just take a look at me. Hey man, I didn't make the name up, I was given the name. Now that we have my name breakdown out the way, how y'all doing? How y'all been feeling today? Drop down in the comments right now how y'all been doing, man. What y'all got going on? What y'all looking forward to buying? Whether it be clothes, shoes, anything, sunglasses, accessories. Let me know what y'all, what y'all thinking about buying, man. Y'all know I like talking fashion. Also, y'all, I'm thinking about doing sit-down videos where I just talk to y'all. So I just need y'all to leave comments down below what y'all would like for me to talk about, anything related to fashion, and you can drop questions about fashion, just dropping down below. I'm gonna keep note of them all. I want to start a new series on my channel of nightly talks, so it'll be dropping late. It's a different vibe. The light don't be as bright. I have it more like it right now. The light is bright. I have the light more so warm when I'm gonna do the sit down talk video, so it's not gonna be too bright. So at nighttime you can just sit back, chill, turn it on, and just chill. Just vibe out with me. But let's get back to the video. As y'all see by the title, I have another Versace robe review coming at you. As you see, I have on this black one right now. Looks really nice. Also, as y'all see with my glasses on my face, these are Versace. A full review out now on my channel. Go ahead and check them out. Also have a full review out now of this black Versace robe. If you haven't seen the black Versace robe video, make sure you go watch it when you get done watching this one. But now we're here with another colorway. It don't stop. The heat just do not stop. Over here on the 2Fly B channel. So keep on subscribing, keep on sharing it out. We keep on gaining members. I know that was a lot of talking. Without further ado, let's go ahead and grab the item. Oh, here's the box. So now that y'all done seen the box, let's go ahead and get into the unboxing. All right, 2Fly fam, here's the box. This is the overhead view. The box is just all black. As you see, not too much going on with it. All right, 2Fly fam, now that I removed the box, go up in here, and here's the red robe. Now the lighting have changed, but I like this line a little bit better because you can actually see the colorway of it. So as you see, red Versace robe, tag at the top says Versace. Y'all see the price. All right, let's go ahead and get it out the box now. This is how it looks when you open it. Now let's take it out the box. All right, guys, that's it. That's the only thing that came in the box. I do need y'all to note, when I bought this from Bloomingdale's, they did not send me my robe belt. No belt, as y'all see, no belt is included. I contacted them. They offered to, they said I can return it and they can send out, and they can resend it out with the robe. But y'all know, man, that honestly was just too much. It was gonna take too long. So they just offered to give me $60 back. So they gave me $60 back. And I think they gave me some store credit, which is still insane not to have a belt, but I mean, I guess. But I mean, they did try to make up a little bit. Let's just go ahead and get into the robe since there's no belt. Nothing at the bottom. No belt we can talk about, discuss. The red belt not on here. But let's just go ahead and continue with the video. All right, 2Fly fam, here's an overview of the robe laid out. Quick look before we hop into the details. All right, now getting into the details up top here. As you see, we have the tag. It says Versace. See the price tag up here. It has the size in which I got, and it has a tag that says Versace Home. Nothing up under it. As we coming down, you see this flips over here. Still say Versace. I like the fact that the detailing is really here when it comes to this robe. So although this robe is expensive, like I was saying before in my other video, if you haven't seen, I have another robe on my channel in the colorway of black. If you haven't seen that, go check that out. I was also saying in other videos how this robe is just a classic. This has been in style for the past 1,000 years, man. It's gonna be in style for the next 1,000 years. So it's like, this is definitely a timeless piece. As most of you know, I love robes. This robe gives royalty, so I just wanted the Versace one. I like any type of robe, not all my robes. I don't just get expensive robes. Prime example, the robe I got on right now was maybe like $45. This one's $600. So it's like mixing the expensive with the cheap, you feel me? That being said, let's go hop into it. So we got two pockets right here. As you see, we have the Medusa head right here. And this material, this is the print, Versace print. I can't think of the name for this black and gold print, but it is a name for it. But we have another Medusa head here. Front left pocket, Medusa head here, front right pocket. All right, coming down. We got Versace's going all across. You see how it's like more red. Then it's like a faded red behind it. Dark red right here and the faded red up. So it's like it contrasts nicely. So you can see the repeated Versace going across. Now with my black robe, that one's a little more subtle down. You know, it's not screaming at you. Honestly, this red, it pops, it hits. It's so nice, but it hits. Like for sure, when you want to pop, man, this is the one to do it. You got something to do. Even here at the end of the wrist, on the right wrist, we got the Medusa head over here as well. And this print on the wrist towards the end of the sleeves. Same over here. Come to the left, you got the Medusa head. It's really nice, man. It's not too much to say about it because the robe speaks for itself. This is definitely a piece that speaks for itself. And the inside you can see the words through the back. Here we have a tag that just says Versace. You can scan it. You can scan the code for more information. Tells you how to wash it, how to take care of it. So this is a piece, as long as you take care of it, it'll take care of you. So now let's turn it around so we can see the back. All right, guys, now this is the back. It does have, I don't know if I mentioned on my last video, but it does has two belt loops, just two. One here and one here, as you can see. The back just says Versace all over. Going down nicely. Come down on the sleeves. Same, this is the back. The back all looks the exact same. Also on this sleeve here. There go the Medusa head again. Overall, great purchase, man. Honestly, if you into robes, you know, you look at yourself as a king as well. Would y'all wear this? Would y'all like a Versace robe? If y'all have one, drop it down below in the comments. Let me know which one you have, what colorway you have. Will I get more in the future? Honestly, I'm sure. Do I need it right now? No, I don't. I don't need another one right now. This is my second one. But I do think I'll get some more in the future, different colorways, just because I like collecting robes. Before we get into the on body portion, I want to talk about sizing. I am 5'9", 165 pounds, and this is a size medium. So if you're around 5'9", around my size, I think you should be good with a size medium, but make sure when you're watching my on body that you pay attention to the wrist and the length of it so you can see how it fit on me, so you can see how it fit on you, so you would know if you would need to go into the store and try on maybe a medium, maybe a large, or even maybe a small to see what fits best for you. But me personally, I feel like this size is good for me. It's not bad, and you guys want to see on the on body. Before we go into the on body, I would like to let y'all know that I did pick up a pair of underwear to go with this robe. I got a one pack this time, so this is $75. And look how they sent my box, man. They gotta stop doing me like this. I got this from Bloomingdale's as well. This is not the buy pack. If you want to see a backpack, which is 2 in here, I got a buy pack on my black Versace robe. So with this one, I just got one. So let's go ahead and open it up real quick. All right, guys. So this is what the underwear looks like. As you can see, it has red with the gold on top. You see the gold Medusa head on top of the red, but in the inside you got the gold and then the red going on top. I also have the tag that says Versace made in Italy. Great material underwear, man. Like I said, it's $75, $150 for both. Go with the robe. Hey fellas, can't go wrong. We're getting the underwear to go with the robe. I told y'all I like to be flat inside the crib too, not just outside. It's really in me, not just on me. Ladies, are you watching? You want to get your man a pair? They some nice quality. Just make sure you know his correct sizings, because the sizing is a little off for the underwear, you ask me. But you can't go wrong. All right, 2 Fly Fam, that concludes the review of this red Versace robe. Let me know your thoughts down below. Do you like the red? How do you feel about it? Do y'all like Versace robes in general? Do you even like robes in general? I'm a robe man. I love robes. So of course I had to double it with on the Versace tip. No, I do not think I'm done with the Versace robes. In due time, I'm going to get some more, honestly. But you guys just gotta know, like, I collect robes, so that's why. Not that I need another one. No, I just like them, and I believe we should be able to have whatever we want to have. But y'all, don't get it twisted. You gotta work hard to get the things that you want. When you work hard, you get to play harder. Remember that. Work hard, play hard. It's different forms of working. Find whatever suits you. 9 to 5 suits some people. Entrepreneurship suits others. It don't matter, man. Whatever you do, as long as you're working. A man don't work, a man don't eat. Alright, Two Fly fam, let me go ahead and get into the try-on portion of this video for y'all. Shout out to everybody who's been rocking with me. Shout out to everybody who rocking with me. Shout out to everybody who gonna continue to rock with me. I love y'all for sure, man. Y'all know I got a ton of appreciation for y'all. Shout out to all the new members joining the Two Fly fam. Welcome to the family. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you like it. Send it out to at least 5 of your friends. Leave a comment down below if you got something to say. You know I love reading the comments and responding back, family. Let's stay connected on social media. My Instagram and TikTok is 2FlyB. Y'all, make sure y'all follow me. Head over to TikTok. If y'all be on TikTok, follow me on TikTok, man. I'm finna start being more consistent on TikTok. I need y'all to look out for me. Go ahead and follow me over there. Interact with my videos. Likes, share them, comment. You know, repost them. Make sure y'all take care of y'allself. Stay prayed up. I love y'all. I'm gonna get up with you next video. Be smooth.